So this whole push to open install started with me wanting to do a DIY project. I've been itching to work on something because all we've been doing is design choices. Which stain for the vanity, which Delege towel for the shower. I've been getting a little design fatigue and I decided it's time to stop opening these drawers with tape handles. So I did a quick order online for push to open hardware for our Blum drawer slides. And now that this hardware's arrived, let's get them installed. I guess I'll start with the instructions, even though this is relatively straightforward. First step, snapping the clips into the drawer slides. Now to find the correct location to snap them in. And here it is, the frontmost hole. Slide it in place and then rotate. One on each side of every drawer slide. And that was quick and easy. Let's make sure they clear our drawer slides. And now I'm back to instructions again. It looks like step 2 is installing the tip-on devices. The tip-on devices are what actually push the drawers open. What I need to determine is where to snap these into place. And it looks like there's markings right on the drawer slide. Start at the unlocked position and then slide to the locked position. Simple and straightforward. One on every drawer slide. Let's check and see if they push to open. And they look good. What's next? Time for the depth adjustment. So this tool from Blum helps properly push the slides forward. There needs to be about an 1/8 inch gap between the drawer fronts and the frame to allow the push to open. Otherwise the door will just push into the frame. Now for installing the synchronization rods. The rods hold in place with these little inserts. The purpose of the rods is to make sure the two opposite drawer slides stay in sync with each other. They do need to be cut to length though. So I'll start by marking where to make my cuts. It looks like it doesn't need to be exact, but it should be pretty close. Blum says you can use a hacksaw to cut, but I hate using a hacksaw. So let's use the miter saw instead. More accurate and much faster. Everything cut to length, let's get our inserts in and our rod snapped into place. And we're done. Let's put the drawers back on. And everything looks really good. Let's test that push to open. And that's the whole push to open story. And now back to the designing.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no armor. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me.